So hey everyone, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. This side of Ubakar, and today we are weekly wrapping up of the GBPUSD. Uh, kind of nice pair, second favorite pair of my trading. Today I would just like to deep dive this, analyze this whole pair. So we have reacted with this like area. Then this is all our whole week. This was started from the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the expansion in the Thursday. But now let's see how this thing is going on from the daily time frame to the weekly time frame. Let's do a small analysis. This is a weekly time frame right over here. We can see the fair value gap right over in this area. I have marked it out with this red candle, with this red rectangle box. And what's our clear draw? So let me tell you what's our clear draw, which is right over this area, which we are looking forward to. That we are anticipating price to move right up about this area 28057, which is our likely to mostly draw. So many things which we need to actually see, then we can actually see that what's going on. So let's move on to the daily time frame. This is a daily time frame on the GBPUSD. Our draw is clear. That is our draw. Where is that? Sheesh, I think I will just add the interval options, visible on all intervals. Okay, now I will go to the daily time frame. This is our draw on the liquidity which we are targeting. This is clear. Now let's deep dive into the analysis. Firstly, we will mark out the any fair value gap presented here. This is our fair value gap in the daily time frame. And second, my favorite tool, which is Fibonacci. I will just use it Fibonacci tool right over here. I will using Fib. This is okay, zero point 0.5 area, which is right over here, the equilibrium level of this whole range which we are currently dealing with. What's the another thing which we can see, which is right over here, the structural break, right over here, structural break. And the fair value gap actually has something very interesting, which is if you see this area, this was a kind of resistance facing, then this candle actually broke out this whole range. So I will mark out this with the like yellow area. Okay, this is actually the our area which we are looking forward to, equilibrium matching with this fair value gap, and like so many things matching out. Let's go into the 4 hour time frame and see how this thing is actually working. So these are the things in the daily time frame. So let me actually use the interval option, so actually use only this daily time frame. So I will not able to see this on the, I will use it interval and current interval only, and use this thing for the current interval. Same for this thing which support resistance turning support. We will also use that. So I will just use this as a current interval only. These things which I have agreed. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what's in the 4 hour time frame. This is our equilibrium level, which is a matching right over this area. We have kind of order block right over in this area. This is an order block which is mitigated, but still we will consider this, which is like this order block. We will consider this because it has expanded. Uh, Price is expanded from this area. We got liquidity build up right over here, so price was not able to actually clean this liquidity, so we have liquidity right present right over here. And this is equilibrium area, I mean the fair value gap range. These all things are correlating with each other and making this like area of high probability for buys. So Mondays I would see how the price is going on, and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These are 3 days which we can see the most volatility. And yeah, I am anticipating price to Mondays go something like decisional price range. Tuesday would be something accumulation. Wednesday would be the manipulation to this area. Thursday we can anticipate the distributing, and Friday would be like closing and etc. What that is. This is a new thing which I'm just like anticipating for this. But yeah, this is a whole my analysis and bias for the next week. We have the fair value gap right over in this area. Also it is aligning with so many things, which is this area of resistance, which has been turning in now into the support. We will see how the price react with this area. We are in the equilibrium level, which is right over here. Fair value gap, old highs, so many things in this small area. This can be making a very high trade. So this is a weekly wrap up for GBPUSD. I will come for another pair maybe, because Euro USD is not in the condition to do analysis as of now. So see you guys. Thank you.